Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the lid. Apply a thin, even layer of primer to neutralize oils and extend wear. Once done, put a small amount of your chosen single shade onto a flat shader brush and tap off excess. This prevents fallout. You will pack pigment first. Press the brush onto the mobile lid from inner to outer corner in short, controlled presses. Make sure to leave the inner third lighter if you want dimension. Otherwise, keep pressure consistent. Once the color is packed, pick up a clean, fluffy brush and blend the edges in small circular motions. This creates a soft gradient and avoids harsh lines. You want the shade to fade subtly toward the brow bone, so use light pressure and check symmetry. If the center looks flat, dampen a small brush slightly and press a touch of product back into the lid to intensify payoff. Make sure to reframe your eye by blending outward, not upward, to keep natural shape. You finish by tying the look together. Sweep a tiny amount of the same shade along the lower lash line with a pencil brush to balance the eye. Once done, use a flat concealer brush and a bit of concealer to sharpen the outer edge and clean any fallout. This instantly lifts the finish. If the color is too intense, dust 1/4 translucent powder over the lid to mute it. If patchy, press pigment back into place rather than sweeping to avoid streaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.